Murisei Makadini, welcome back to Shona Land, and today I'll be taking you through letter H and combining it with the Shona vowels. As a recap, we say that the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels, and the vowels are the ones that determine how you pronounce all Shona words. And this is how you pronounce them. We've got A, E, I, O, U. So taking you through letter H and combining it with the Shona vowels, this is how you pronounce it. So if you combine letter H with A, you get ha, ha, ha. When you combine letter H with A, you get he, he, he. When you combine it with E, it's he, he, he. When you combine it with O, it's ho, ho, ho. When you combine it with U, it's hu, hu, hu. So we've got ha, he, ho, hu. Now giving you example words. For ha, we've got the word hammer, hammer. And in English, that's relative. Hammer. For hair, we've got hembe, hembe. That's clothes in English. Hembe. For he, we've got himu, himu. That's him in Shona. Him. For ho, we've got hombe, hombe. That's large in English. Hombe. For hu, we've got huku, huku. That's hen in English. Huku. So for ha, we've got hammer. For he, we've got hembe. For he, we've got himu. Ho, hombe. Hu, huku. Thank you guys for watching, and be on the lookout for the next video where I'll be taking you through letter J. So don't forget to subscribe, to leave a comment, or like our videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.